Okay. This is the NPN transistor circuit. First we should analyze the circuit. This is the common base transistor. The base is connected with the negative of the microammeter. The emitter is connected to the negative of the 3-volt battery and also to the negative of the 9-volt battery. Now the collector, it is connected with negative of the milliampere, and the positive of the milliampere is connected with the positive of the battery. Now first we should connect the connections of the transistor. Now here the base, it is connected with the negative of the microammeter. So this is the base, this is the microammeter. Now we connect the base to the negative of the microammeter. Now the emitter, it is first connected to the negative of the primary battery. So here is the emitter and here is the negative of the primary battery. Now the emitter is also connected to the negative of the secondary battery. So here is the emitter and here is the negative of the battery. Now the collector, it is connected to the negative of the milliampere. So here is the collector and here is the milliampere. So here is the negative of the milliampere. We connected to this. Now the milliampere, the positive of the milliampere is connected to the positive of the battery. So here is the positive of the milliampere. It is connected to the positive of the battery. Now here the base is connected to the negative of the microampere, which you already did. Now the positive of the microammeter is connected to the positive of the battery. So this is the positive of the microammeter and here is the positive of the battery. Now here we see that we have connected all the elements in the series. Now now it's a turn to connect the voltmeter in the parallel. So here is the VBE, whose positive terminal is connected to the positive of the battery. So here is the positive of the VB. This is the positive of the VB and this is the positive of the battery. As you see, the positive is connected to the positive and the negative, we have to connect it to the negative of the battery. So here is the negative and here is the negative of the battery. Now here we have to connect VC in parallel to measure the voltage for the output characteristic. So voltage, the voltmeter is connected in parallel, the positive is connected to the positive of the battery. So here is the positive of VC connected to the positive of the battery and the negative of VC connected to the negative of the battery. This is the negative of VC and this is the negative of the battery.